Hello friends. Welcome back to our series on what is global and local positions in Unity 3D. In part 1, we laid the groundwork by exploring the core concepts of positioning in Unity. Now, in this exciting second part, we're going to dive into something both powerful and practical, creating a custom editor script to display the global position of GameObjects directly in the inspector window. In today's video, we'll cover how to set up a custom editor script in Unity. Step-by-step process to display the global position of GameObjects in the inspector. How this script can enhance your workflow and make debugging easier. By the end of this video, you'll have a handy tool that lets you quickly check the global position of any GameObject right from the inspector, saving you time and making your development process smoother. Let's start by creating an editor directory in Assets. Scripts placed in the editor directory are compiled into a separate assembly that is only loaded by the Unity editor. These scripts can use the Unity editor namespace and access editor-only functionality. Let's create C# script called global position into editor directory and open it. After open global position script, remove all unused methods and namespace from it. In Unity, the Using Unity Editor line in a C# script is used to include the Unity Editor namespace, which provides access to the Unity Editor's scripting API. This namespace contains classes and methods that are specifically designed for creating custom editor tools and functionalities within the Unity editor itself. It enables you to do 1. Custom editor windows, 2. Custom inspector panels, 3. Editor extensions, 4. Asset management, 5. Editor-only code. The line, custom editor, typeof, transform, in Unity C# is an attribute used to specify a custom editor for the transform component in the Unity editor. Attribute syntax. The square brackets denote that custom editor is an attribute applied to a class. Attributes in C# are used to add metadata to classes, methods, or other elements, which can then be accessed at runtime or compile time. Custom editor. Custom editor is a Unity attribute that tells the Unity editor that you have created a custom editor script for a specific type. In this case, transform is the type for which you are creating a custom editor. In Unity, the editor class is part of the Unity editor namespace and provides the ability to extend and customize the Unity editor interface. By calling base.onInspectorGUI, you ensure that the default inspector GUI for the target object is rendered. This includes all the standard fields and properties of the component or script being edited. Target is a reference to the object that the custom editor is currently editing. By casting target to transform, you can access the transform properties and methods directly, which allows you to display or manipulate its data in the custom inspector. Editor GUI layout.label field creates a label in the inspector window. It allows you to add custom information to the inspector, such as the global position of the transform, which might not be shown by default or might be presented in a more accessible way. Let's save the script and check the global position of the GameObject shown in the inspector window. As shown, there is a global pos field that displays the global position of the GameObject. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more videos and exciting content right here on our channel.